Today, I'm going to show you how to create a powerful and energetic Stomp Text Animation, perfect for promos, intros, and high impact visuals. Let's jump in. Start by opening your Canva video project and adding a text box. For this effect, break your message into short words or phrases. You can place each one on a different line or even on separate pages to match the beat of your audio. Now, click on your text, go to the top menu, and hit Animate. From the list of text animations, choose Stomp. This animation gives your text that bold, percussive entrance like it's landing with force. Preview your sequence and tweak the duration of each scene to make every stomp hit right on cue. And that's it. You've just created an eye-catching stomp text animation in Canva, perfect for grabbing attention and making your message pop. If you like this one, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Canva animation tutorials.